Hi, I'm Leonie West from Westalee Design, and this is our simple circle template. This will give you a 2-inch circle sewing around the inside of the circle. It is much easier to sew inside a circle than on the outside of a circle. So I've just gone through our key to get into the template, and I'm going to just stitch around this circle. And we're back at the beginning. Very easy to sew circles when you have the right template. I'm going to use the circle to create interlocking circles. So I've got a cross line marked 4 crosshairs on here, and I'm going to use the marks on the ruler to move around. So we're going to sew around the circle, and stop where we began with the needle down. Move the template across, keeping our centre line of the template in line with our line that we've marked, and we're going to sew around again. Stopping where we began. Now I'm going to move the template up, and I'm going to use the reference line here and make sure that my reference line is touching the reference line on the template, and sew around. And we're going to stop back where we began. We're now going to move the template across, keeping that line in line again, and go around the circle. We now have 4 circles interlocking, and we can stop there with just 4 interlocking circles, but we're going to add another 4 circles. So what I'm going to do is move the template across, and I'm going to line this line up with the intersection here, and at the top I'll line it up with the intersection of the circles at the top. Come back to the beginning again, and I'm just going to bring my template up, aligning here and lining up the top with the line across the top. And come back to the beginning. When we get to the middle again, we're going to do the same thing coming over to the side. So I'm going to line this line up here through those points, and making sure that this line is also pointing at that intersection. Stopping in the middle, bring the template across, keeping the lines aligned, have 8 interlocking circles. Take the key away. I'll just bring up my threads. So with the circle template we can do a number of things.